Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students of class 4th. This is lesson number 7 of phase number 4. Today is Wednesday and it's 2nd September 2020. And the topics are blanks with personal pronoun, rhyming words, and reader unit number 14. And this video lesson is presented to you Pakistan Overseas Higher Secondary School and Duktarane Millat Higher Secondary School Mandir under a beautiful vision and mission. Our vision is to develop a prosperous and God-fearing society on the basis of education, and our mission is to develop the students into model executives of future by the best balance of academic and character building in the light of the Quran and the Sunnah. Dear students, our message of the week is Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam ने इरशाद फरमाया इन्न सदक़ात लतुत्फ़िउ ग़ज़ब रब्बी। इसका तर्जुमा कुछ यूँ है, बेशक सदका रब ताला के गुस्सा को ठंडा कर देता है। प्यारे बच्चों, बेशक सदका हमारे लिए आने वाले बलाओं से ढाल है। सदका हमारे लिए ढाल का काम करता है। इसलिए प्यारे बच्चों, सदक़े को फ़रोग़ दें और सदका करते रहें। Let's come to our lesson, points to be learned. First of all, we will learn fill in the blanks with correct personal pronoun, then rhyming words of unit number 6, and at the end we will do reader of unit number 14. Dear students, attention please. There is an assessment present on your summer pack. You have to learn unit number 5 first, then do it. Let's take our first step, and that is blanks. Let's start. Fill in the blanks with the help of personal pronoun. Dear students, I have done these blanks for you with blue color. So, be attentive now. Let's start. The first blank is the bee is in dash hive. The bee is in its hive. The house on the corner is dash. The house on the corner is yours. This house is theirs and dash paint is peeling. This house is theirs and its paint is peeling. So we have done with blanks. Let's take next step. What are rhyming words? Words which have same ending sounds are called rhyming words. For example, old, bold. I repeat it. Words which have same ending sounds are called rhyming words. For example, old, bold. So, there are some words and we have to make rhyming words of them. So, first word is old and their rhyming word is bold, sold. Old, bold, sold. Back, rack, sack. Back, rack, sack. Man, fan, ran. Man, fan, ran. Small, tall, call. Small, tall, call. Sack, back, rack. I repeat it, small, tall, call. Sack, back, rack. So dear students, we have done with rhyming words. Our next step is, before taking next step, dear students, there is an assessment at the end of your summer pack. Learn your unit number 6 first, then do it. So let's take next step, and that is reader. It is unit number 14, amazing trees. Let's start its reading. Nayab likes to read articles from newspapers, magazines, and internet. She often visits the library in her neighborhood. She is always curious to know about different natural things and how they are made. Last Sunday, she watched a documentary on amazing trees of the world. She was really astonished to see such marvelous and wonderful trees. She wanted to know more about these amazing trees. She went to the library and started reading a magazine. She found a remarkable article about the world's most amazing trees. She started reading it with full attention, so soon she was lost in the fascinating world of trees. She could not stop herself from capturing the beauty of those trees in her eyes. This is what she read. The world's most amazing trees. Nature is beautiful, and trees are proof of its amazing beauty. There are approximately 400 billion trees and over 23,000 different kinds of trees on earth. While you see trees every day of your life, some trees are different and unique. These trees capture our attention at once. Some of the most amazing trees are as follows. The rainbow eucalyptus. The rainbow eucalyptus is the only eucalyptus tree growing in the northern hemisphere. It grows in the Philippines, New Guinea, and Indonesia, where it flourishes in tropical forests. The tree grows up to 250 feet tall in its natural environment. These trees look like stunning canvas resembling some sort of painting. It is actually one of Allah's beautiful creations. The eucalyptus tree sheds its bark in patches irregularly throughout the year. In the process, it transforms into a multicolored dream. Initially, the visible undergrowth is bright green, though it shifts its color to blue, purple, orange, and then finally maroon like a rainbow. Quaking aspen. The quaking aspen is the most widely spread tree in North America. It is found growing across the northern regions of the United States and Canada from the Atlantic to the Pacific. It is also the largest living organism. This tree is considered both a shade tree and an ornamental tree. It adds visual interest and beauty. While on the surface, these trees look like a group of individual timber. All the trees are rooted together into one giant organism, so large in fact that it can be up to 20 acres wide. The quaking aspen is Bryce Canyon National Park, Utah, America is estimated to be approximately 80,000 years old. The lone cypress. The lone cypress tree is 250 years old and serves as the official symbol of Pebble Beach, California. It stands along the famously scenic 17-mile drive. It might be the most photographed tree in North America. It is a great tourist attraction in Del Monte Forest, California. The Blessed Tree. It is in the northern part of Jordan, within a radius of hundreds of kilometers. There is no other tree of life. The blessed tree is the one under which Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam is believed to have sat and rested as a boy when traveling with his uncle to Syria. It was on this trip that Bahariya, a priest, recognized the signs of eminent prophethood in Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam and warned his uncle to protect him. The Divi Divi tree. The famous Divi Divi tree is found in Aruba in the southern Caribbean. This tree is always pointing in a southwesterly direction due to winds that blow across the island from the northeast. An interesting observation is that attempts to plant this tree in other parts of the world have proved useless. It seems the Divi Divi is most comfortable in Aruba Island. Naya was really amazed at this information. The next day, she shared it with her friends in school. They also found it quite interesting and informative. They were really impressed by her knowledge. So, we have done with this reading. It's time to write down your diary, and your diary is: write blanks with correct personal pronoun and rhyming words on your summer pack, and read unit number 14. You can contact us, Cloud Campus Parent, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube channel and WhatsApp groups. Our WhatsApp number is 053-770-1212. Our YouTube channel is POA Mandir. You can contact us on Facebook and Twitter, POA Mandir and POHSS Mandir. This video lesson is presented to you Pakistan Overseas Higher Secondary School and Duktarane Millat Higher Secondary School Mandir, Dingar Road, Kharia, District, Gujarat. And our number is 053-770-1212, 770-1220, 770-1296. Dear students, I hope you all students get this lesson very well and enjoy it very well. So it's time to leave. Thank you so much and Allah Hafiz.